Welcome to the Bal Govindam Learning app. Hello children. Today work is your of English alphabet H. So today you have to do the practice of H in your note copy. Okay. So look how you will do practice in your note copy. First you have to put the dot in this way. So first you have to put the dot like this in a slant pattern. Okay. Complete the dot by giving like this in your note copy. So you have to complete first putting dot on your whole line, then you have to start writing H. Okay, so come on, let's do the practice of H now. So first you have to put the pencil on the second blue line. Okay, on the first dot, take upward to the red line, little turn. Okay, and make a straight line like a standing line. Okay, straight to till the blue line. Okay, again you have to take your pencil upward till blue line and little curve and outside. Okay, it's complete H. Okay, you have to complete like this, upward, down to the blue line, again upward to the blue line and out. Okay, so here we complete H. H says H. In phonic we will pronounce H as H, hen, hat. Okay, so look, so you have to write in this pattern in your note copy. Take upward, down to the blue line, then upward, and it comes out. Okay, like this. So you have to complete writing H like this in your whole page. H says her, hen. H says her, hen. Okay, please speak and write. While you write, please speak. H says her. Okay, H says her. H says her. H says her. H says her. So you have to complete this page writing like this pattern. Okay, her. Her. So look how quickly I've completed this page. So speak and write. H says her. Take your pencil upward, down to the blue line, again blue line, come to the end of the blue line and outward. Okay, so very simple, upward, down and out. It's okay, upward, turn, straight, again up to the blue line, down and outside. Okay, so complete this edge, writing like this pattern. Okay, so here we completed this page. So come to the next page. This is also the revision of H. H says here. So first you have to write this page also complete. So you have to complete this page also writing H. Okay, by giving the point line a slant pattern. Okay, so you have to complete the 2 page. Okay, so children, today work is of your H in note copy. There are 2 page, so please do complete by the help of your parent. Thank you.